This whole MBD thing is so confusing, but I need to learn it for my company. I don't understand. What do I do? What do I do? Wait a minute.
Yo, I just took this MBD class recently. It's really good.
Oh, that's sick. I have a company, you know. I might have to do that.
Yeah, you should definitely do that. It's great.
Hopefully I'll remember.
It's got really great experts, and it's only
$995
per person. So it's a steal.
Wow, that's pretty darn cheap.
I know.
I'm definitely be using that.
Go! Yes! I know how to beat MBD confusion!
And you can too!
Take our class.